What if you could stay secure with the same amount of power without gunpowder? It's true, thanks to these 15 lethal weapons that combine traditional functions and modern designs to pack great force in each shot. So, let's not wait anymore and dive to discover. Number 15. FN303 Tactical. Imagine a launcher that looks tactical but fires without a single spark of combustion. That's exactly what's happening here. The FN303. Tactical uses compressed air to launch .68 caliber fin-stabilized projectiles designed for impact, marking, or chemical payloads. It runs off a 3,000 psi air tank, feeds from a 15-round drum, and delivers semi-auto fire with almost no recoil, no muzzle flash, and far less noise than a firearm. While less lethal it may be, it is advised not to point at the head or neck. Number 14. HATSAN VELOX. If you think pistols need explosions to be dangerous, this one proves otherwise. The HATSAN VELOX is a semi-auto PCP air pistol that packs real punch using nothing but high-pressure air. With a detachable 250-bar cylinder, it pushes pellets up to 620 feet per second in .22, feeds from a 12-round magazine, and stays compact enough to carry while still hitting with double-digit foot-pounds of energy. Number 13. GRIMBURG TYR. This one lives in that uncomfortable space between less lethal and don't get hit. The GRIMBURG TYR fires heavy, .68 caliber projectiles using compressed air, delivering around 65 joules of impact energy. It gets roughly 40 shots per tank, feeds from a 7-round magazine, and is built in a compact, reinforced frame clearly designed for serious force without gunpowder. Number 12. OSAP B4SP. From the outside, it barely looks like a weapon at all. The OSAP B4SP is a barrelless launcher that fires oversized rubber, flash, or signal cartridges. Each rubber projectile weighs over 11 grams and can leave the muzzle with close to 90 joules of energy. With 4 shots ready in a compact block, it's small, blunt, and brutally effective at close range. So, if you're all into flashbanging and flares, then the OSA-PB-4SP is your multi-purposes all-in-one tool. Number 11. UMAREX T4E HDX. This is basically a tactical carbine that runs on gas instead of fire. The UMAREX T4E HDX fires .68 caliber rounds from magazines or hoppers, using CO2 or HPA to push projectiles up to around 480 feet per second. It supports rubber, paint, dust, and fin-stabilized rounds with rails everywhere, and even full auto capability at regulated power levels. Plus, with a wide range of modification options, you can switch between multiple power sources. Number 10. LANCEHEAD F1 CROSSBOW. No exposed limbs, no strings swinging around, because all the power is hidden inside. The LANCEHEAD F1 crossbow uses internal torsion limbs to fire standard bolts at hunting speeds. It's compact, quiet, and snag-free, delivering serious penetration with pure stored mechanical energy and zero combustion. So, the world's first hunting-grade crossbow waits your way to deliver a stunning knockdown power. Number 9. RSX-7 SLINGSHOT. This one looks like a sci-fi rifle but works on rubber bands. The RSX-7 SLINGSHOT rifle fires steel ball bearings using extreme elastic tension, sending 7 to 8 millimeter steel balls past 300 feet per second. It feeds semi-automatically, dumps dozens of rounds rapidly, and proves that stretched rubber can still be terrifyingly effective. Number 8. CA09. COILGUN electricity replaces gunpowder entirely here. The CA09 COILGUN accelerates metal discs using electromagnetic coils, not explosions. With selectable fire modes, a 50-round magazine, and energy levels reaching into the double-digit joules, it quietly flings heavy ferrous projectiles using nothing but stored electrical power. Number 7. STEAMBOW FENRIS. Instead of reloading arrows one by one, this turns a bow into something much faster. The STEAMBOW FENRIS attaches to a compound bow and feeds arrows from a 5-round magazine. Using the bow's draw weight alone, it can launch all 5 arrows in just seconds, combining medieval ammunition with modern mechanical efficiency. And the FENRIS turns out to be suitable for most bows with a removable arrow rest and open riser, which means that no other arrow weapons offer such advantages. Number 6. UMAREX T4E HDX. If a shotgun didn't need shells, it might look like this. The UMAREX T4E HDX 68 is a pump-action launcher firing .68 caliber rounds powered by CO2. With a tube magazine holding around 16 rounds and energy levels that can exceed 50 joules in tuned setups, it delivers shotgun-style intimidation without gunpowder. It proves to be a beast, thanks to the assortment of joules that backs it up. While it looks pretty, it's a clear sign for intruders and unwelcome guests to walk away. Number 5. SABRE .68 Launcher. Think pepper spray, but launched with authority. The SABRE .68 launcher fires chemical or kinetic projectiles using CO2, giving users distance, accuracy, and stopping power without combustion. Compact and multi-shot, it's designed to hit harder than typical spray systems while staying firmly in the gas-powered category. For those who are into chemistry, it doesn't get more natural than SABRE .68 launcher. Number 4. HATSAN Factor. Sniper L. Now, this is where air rifles stop feeling like toys, because the HATSAN Factor Sniper L is a long-range PCP rifle with a massive air reservoir and adjustable regulator. It fires heavy pellets or slugs at energies high enough for medium game hunting, all while relying purely on compressed air and precision machining. It should go without saying that this weapon should be treated as if it's loaded all the time. Number 3. GAMO Arrow. PCP fast, light, and built for simplicity, this one skips the explosions entirely. The GAMO Arrow is a straight-pull PCP air rifle that delivers consistent power from an onboard air cylinder. It's quiet, lightweight, and fast to cycle, making it a practical hunting and target platform. And the best part? You can do all that without the need for cartridges. So you're not just saving your body, but also your bank balance. Number 2. Benjamin BULLDOG .357. Big bore air doesn't mess around. The Benjamin BULLDOG .357 launches massive slugs using high-pressure air, delivering energy levels comparable to firearms at close range. Its bullpup layout keeps it compact, while the air reservoir does all the work of driving heavy projectiles with no powder, no brass, and no flame. From big game to small game, in the forests or on the outskirts, Benjamin BULLDOG .357 is your trusted hunting buddy. Number 1. BINTAC AE a Harpoon. This one feels less like a launcher and more like industrial equipment. The BINTAC AE Harpoon uses compressed air to drive heavy metal harpoons or bolts with brutal penetration. Designed for close-range power, it's silent, compact, and optimized for launching extremely heavy projectiles without a single explosive charge. That'll be enough shooting for today. If you enjoyed this list of highly advanced arms that need air and no gunpowder, then hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos and reviews.